Good morning, all. Hope you have completed the previous lessons, completed the notes also. Actually, today I'll be sending you two videos because the first one is a short one, a continuation of data frames, and next one is a new topic. I'll be sending two videos. Please find both. And we learned what are data frames, different operations on data frames, and there are more advanced data operations also on data frames, but we'll see whether it is needed or not. Then if it is needed, we'll learn it later. Okay, so as of now, the major functionalities of data frames has been completed. So we'll see the next small topic, which is data frames. So this is another type of file, a CSV file, which can be worked along with data frames. You know, data frames is also rows and columns, right? So there is a type of file known as CSV file where the data can be imported from CSV file and we make it as a data frame, as well as the data frame itself can be converted as a CSV file. Okay, both are rows and columns, but both can be used interchangeably. So how we will import a CSV file to data frame, as well as how we will make a data frame to a CSV file. So first of all, what is a CSV file? CSV file is a short form of comma separated value files. Okay, it's a comma separated value files. It actually allows the data to be in a tabular format. You know that tabular format data frame is also in rows and columns. So CSV file allows the data to be saved in a tabular format. CSV is a simple file such as a spreadsheet or database. You can even open it with the help of a notepad. Okay, so files in the CSV format can be imported and you can make it as a data frame. Is that clear? Also, it can be exported from programs that stores the data in tables such as Microsoft Excel or OpenOffice, etc. CSV is data fields are mostly separately limited by a comma. That's why they are known as comma separated values, and each individual rows are divided or separated by new lines. Okay, so that is CSV file. How to create a CSV file? You can just open a notepad, create a new file, and enter some data separated by commas, and each row should be separated by new lines, and the save file should be saved with the extension as .csv. Okay, .csv, where CSV refers to comma separated values. Okay, so when I open as an Excel, it will be opened. Okay, so here you can see a CSV file. You have employee ID, employee name, and DOJ, and you can have the function in Python or pandas pd dot read underscore CSV. This is a function which is used to read the contents inside the CSV file. So we'll see an example. See, I told you there is an employee file. EMP is the name of that file. We saw that file, and the file is saved as cmp.csv. Okay, so to take that contents what we saw in that and to make it inside a data frame, what will you do? You use the function pd.read underscore CSV, and what you have to give inside that, the name of the CSV file. Here the whole path has to be given. Path has to be where it is stored. That path of the CSV file is given, and where it is assigned, it is assigned to a df. Df is a data frame. Okay, df is a data frame here. So when you print that df, you can see the content inside that CSV file. Is that clear to you? So this is how you take open a CSV file and take the content of the CSV file and put it in a data frame. Now how you can export the data from to the CSV, from the data frame to the data file. The function you have to use is data frame, the name of the data frame dot to underscore CSV. We'll see an example. See, named as df1. L is a list there. You made it as a data frame using pd.data frame. And what is the name of the data frame here? One. And what I am going to convert that data frame to the CSV file data frame1.csv. So df1.to underscore CSV function will convert the data frame df1 to a CSV file. What is the name of the CSV file created? data frame 1 dot CSV. So the whole path has to be specified such that the content inside the data frame df1 will be given to that CSV file. Is that clear? So when I open the data frame 1, this is a file which is in the E drive. So when I open it, you can see the corresponding data frames there. Is that clear? It's a short topic. This is end of CSV files. Thank you.